आजकल के बच्चे आते हैं, they will cling to you, mama I'm getting bored, papa I'm getting bored, and you feel like you need to solve that problem for them. No, you don't. Boredom is a luxury. Ask a daily wage laborer if he gets bored in a day. Ask somebody who doesn't have the privileges that you afford your children. Do they get bored? No, they don't. So please train your children into thinking, recognizing these privileges. Boredom is a privilege that not many of us in our country today have. And once the children recognize that privilege, they may choose to, move away from that boredom and get more productive on their own, with their own self-esteem, with their own decision making, with their own choice. Your job is not to kill the boredom for your kids. You've given them the privilege, which is, the boredom is just a symptom of that privilege. So since you can't take away that privilege, you cannot do anything about the boredom. But give resources, point them, guide them to the right things that they may choose to do. Sometimes, waste time with your kids. We've had a session of this wonderful teacher, Miss Deepthi Shankar, in our school multiple times. And she keeps saying, it's not about how much time you spend. Sometimes, mothers will complain कि इसके पापा तो time ही नहीं spend करते, or fathers are complaining, mother is busy socializing, she's working too, nobody's spending time with the kids. It's not about how much time you spend. It's the quality of that time you spend. And usually, children love spending time with their fathers, because fathers, when they do it, they don't have an agenda in mind. Aimlessly बैठे हैं, time waste कर रहे हैं. संडे को आप बोलते हैं, चिढ़ जाते हैं, सुबह से नहाए नहीं है, नाश्ता नहीं किया है, आप भी इनके साथ बचपना कर रहे हो, और ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. That's great. Quality time does not have an agenda, right? And the moment you pick an agenda, आज अगर आपने समर कैंप में इसलिए डाला है कि मेरा बच्चा आर्टिस्ट बन जाएगा या कुछ हो जाएगा या कुछ करे, नहीं, it's just a good use of the time without an agenda. Don't think of it as personality development. Don't think of it as, turning your child into the next chess master. It's just agenda-less time, but quality time that the child can spend with their friends, with their peers, with some mentors. And after they come back from the summer camp back home, please make sure it's without agenda. Because the moment you start thinking कि ये कराने से, let me put my child in a calligraphy class, क्योंकि बाद में उसके कोई यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफाइल में वो काम आएगा, और that might be a competitive edge in life. There is an agenda, and the moment you have an agenda, your child will feel it, they will sense it, and they will not want to participate with you in that activity from that point on. I felt it in my life. I have a daughter, she's in grade 4 now, and I still recall, there was this song I used to listen to, I can't recall the name of it now, but it had like a very shrill sound, but I was quite a big fan, मैं बचपन से सुनता रहा था, तो मैं सुनता था, and she used to get scared on the song. Every time I would play it, she would say, Papa, I don't like this song, please change it. So one day, I said, listen, we are going to dance to this song. I have to help you get rid of this fear. और हम लोग हमारे घर के अंदर जो मैट्रेस होता है, मम्मी हमेशा कहती है मैट्रेस पे नहीं कूदना. मुझे लगा बच्चे के बहाने आज मैं भी अपनी बचपन की एक इच्छा पूरी कर लूँ, उनके मैट्रेस पे कूद लूँ.